So welcome again. We want to talk about different types of discharges associated with different phases of the menstrual cycle. Including other times of the menstrual cycle, we have brown discharges. This may occur immediately after a period and is a sign of vagina being cleared out. It is very, very important before ovulation begins to take place. There should be, like washing away every debt there. Then brown discharge before period most commonly is the blood left over in the uterus after your last period. It may indicate pregnancy if you don't get your period. And of course, it may be due to the use of hormonal birth control pills, or it may be a sign of an infection. Then, if you have yellow or green discharge, this type of discharge at any given time during the cycle, your cycle, may indicate an infection, particularly if it is thick or smell different than the usual odor of your vaginal discharge. Then what are the causes of vaginal discharge before your menses, before your period start? Number one, a certain amount of vaginal discharge from your body is normal for both menstruation and regular vaginal health, which is very, very important. Then this discharge is usually milky and doesn't smell bad. And of course, in addition to changes around the time of your ovulation, vaginal discharges that's at that time can become thicker when you are breastfeeding or sexually aroused. You understand? However, changes in vaginal discharge can be a sign of a problem. You understand? Then, of course, when there is an increased discharge or a change in the smell or color, along with burning or irritation around your vagina, what happens? It can be a sign of vaginitis or an inflammation of the vagina. That's what vaginitis is all about. And this is often most caused by an infection or a change in the vaginal bacteria that we will call it the normal flora of the vagina. And when we're talking about spotting or light bleeding between periods, it can also indicate a health issue. Spotting may be red, bright red, or brown, and may be accompanied by symptoms like abdominal pain, an irregular period, or burning during urination. Then, when we're talking about changes in vaginal discharge, which this can also occur due to certain factors, like, for example, if you are using feminine hygiene spray, it is possible. Using certain types of soap or scented materials in your vagina, taking antibiotics, or even douching. When to see a doctor for vaginal discharge before period. Number one, any changes in vaginal discharge, including color, smell, or volume that you don't understand, are enough reasons to see your doctor. You should also contact your healthcare provider if you experience any of the following. Number one, your period suddenly stops. Number two, you are experiencing severe pain during your period or abdominal pain. You are experiencing spotting or bleeding between periods, which is not normal most of the time. Or you are bleeding more often, or you are bleeding more heavily. See you in the next video.